you were saying about the aircraft taxiing in there?
The F6F Hellcat. Here comes Margi Stivers.
Okay, this is the right wing arabesque sequence, and now she's on the end strut on the outboard side of the right wing there. Again, all of her choreographed stunts on this aircraft are based on ballet, dancing. The Stearman aircraft is powered by a 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney R985 9-cylinder single-row radial engine. And the Stearman has been made famous not only as a training aircraft throughout the entire World War at 100 miles an hour. Margaret is the originator of this pose on a plane in flight. The Swan wave on the top wing. The wing walker is on the top wing, and starting from a forearm stand, she dives into the swan dive pose and raises up, exhibiting her flexibility to wave at the crowd. This sequence is Margaret's own unique creation, and she alone in the world performs it.
One in the museum, it's a Yak 18. They call them Red Check Charlies, and it's got a 5-cylinder engine, and it really comes by, it sounds like an old washing machine.
All right, approaching from the west here, this is the left wing dance. Margaret has moved to the left wing and she'll be dancing and flipping as she is suspended between the upper and lower wing. Margaret and Hartley began working on this choreography over a decade ago and is tailor-fitted to accommodate Margaret's 5-foot stature. Watch the transition steps as the pose flows into another. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching from the east again. This is the top wing dance. Hartley applies the power precisely so Margi can move with ease to the top wing. Again, ladies and gentlemen, approaching from the west. They will come by now and she will perform the back of rack victory pose. This is a pose balanced on the wind as the wing walker holds on with only one arm. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that she's moving by at about 100 miles an hour. It doesn't seem like a lot for an airplane, but to get yourself out in the middle of the wind at 100 miles an hour, it's pretty daunting. Friends and a fellow wing-walking husband and wife team. The Silverwings wing-walking team asked for special thoughts and prayers for them. Amanda has a long road ahead of her. A portion of their show fee will be going to support their recovery. If you wish to donate, there are 2 funds set up at www.moonlightfund.org, tax deductible, and also www.jcasfoundation.org, the Kyle and Amanda Fund, non-tax deductible. The air show performers are a small group and wing. Hartley and Margi come down on the Stearman now. They're going to land. You want to take a look? She's going to deploy the flag. And this is in honor of all our veterans. Yeah, I think they're going to do a high-speed pass first before they land. She's off the wing now. They're going to give a flyby salute there and a nice pull-up. Wow. Shows the maneuverability of that Stearman biplane. You know, that airplane was a very rugged airplane. They really couldn't overfly it. It was so well built. Have an aircraft built with very minimal performance parameters, but very strengthened airframe, very structural integrity there. It's a pretty hard airplane to break. Looks like we're going to see another nice flyby here, approaching now from the east. Hartley, Folstad, Margi, Stivers, Silverwings wing walking team. You know, Charlie, the Stearman biplane is kind of like the Douglas DC-3. It's just one of those airplanes that just won't go away. Not that we want it to. It's just that it's survived such a lengthy career.
Well, so many pilots received their training on it. It had to be built rugged to withstand pilot training.
Yeah. These airplanes can be seen all over air shows. A lot of them have been restored, painted up in original Army and Navy colors. Very colorful airplanes. Yellow wings era of the U.S. military. And after Boeing acquired the Stearman Aircraft Company, they built a lot of these. And almost every pilot got his first wings in these things. He got his first primary training. The aircraft was called a PT-13 or PT-17, depending on the model.
KDET.
2004, and we kept meeting at the same air show. And in 2006, we got married, and we had an air show wedding, and here they come landing that beautiful Stearman.
All right, take a look. The plan is for Margi to